You read the reports.
Yes.
There was, I guess, another homeless gentleman who actually stole a beer from him. I'm not uh, condoning his actions. Problem is at a bus stop where he has had numerous homes stolen from him. I guess that day he had just had enough.
The judge does not sugarcoat a thing today. Picture a verbal thunderstorm wrapped in a reality check, prison, or a heartbreaking call to mom. Stakes could not be higher. Who else feels the tension already tightening like a seatbelt?
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on October 7th. You applied for deferred adjudication. The PSI was waived. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. The state is opposed to your application. This will run concurrently with 2025 CC 006611, and there's to be restitution, if any, to the complainant. Are both parties ready to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, any witnesses state?
No, Your Honor.
Defense, any witness? All right, you may call your witness.
Oh,
All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. I'm going to need you to keep your voice up because the court reporter has to hear. If you'll state your name for the record.
Jerry DeLeon.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
thank you. Good afternoon, Mr. Lee.
Good.
I have a few questions.
Okay.
Mr. Lopez,
My son,
is your son? How many children do you have?
3.
What does he fall with that line?
You.
Should they? Now, Ms. Lopez, does your son live with you?
If you do,
Does he?
no.
What's he at?
He's homeless. Sometimes his brother.
Sometimes said. So when you say he's homeless, how long has he been homeless?
Ever since he got divorced,
And when you say he got divorced, what caused him to be homeless?
I guess drugs.
Drugs? Okay.
And
Now, when he's homeless, does he still see you?
yes,
And how often does he see you?
almost every day.
What does he do? Buys you?
He was to be sure if I'm okay, if I need something. It's
When you go there, what's that?
like if I need something from the store, like something.
He would not clean up well.
Yeah, he does my trash.
Now, even though he's homeless, does he work?
Yes, he does.
What does he do?
He does construction. He works in one day. And then we go in and work that day, and then the next day you gotta like something like that.
They labor job?
Yeah, we go.
Have you ever seen him be fired?
No,
We have that with him.
no.
When you mentioned something about you know that.
Well, he's always like, I used to say,
You don't know what kind of thing it is. No? What about alcohol?
sometimes he comes with beer.
You think that's the office as well? Okay, so,
Any
No
questions?
questions.
All right, I just have a few. Any objection? Yes. Okay. So, give me some information about your son. Where did things start going wrong for him as far as the choices he's been making in his life?
Back in the drugs and alcohol?
No, I mean, when did he start on this path that he's on now?
Right now, it got worse when he got divorced.
Mhm.
That's when he started being homeless. He still works. He will work and buy his drugs or something.
And what drugs has he been using?
I know when he was teenage, he used to smoke.
Okay. All right, thank you so much. And thank you for giving me some insight into your son. I appreciate it. All right, anything else?
no further steps, so.
Okay. State you're opposed. You may proceed.
Your Honor, we're asking that you deny his application and sentence him to 10 years in TDC. And that's based upon the evidence that was stipulated upon, which essentially states that it's alleged that the victim and the defendant got into an argument regarding an alcoholic beverage. They engaged in some sort of physical altercation, and then it died down for a short period of time, and the defendant returns with a knife and stabs the victim. That's supported by multiple witness statements that are in stipulations. So we would ask that you deny his application and sentence him to 10 years.
All right, defense.
I agree with the state except for the 10 years and a little bit about, you read the reports.
Yes.
There was, I guess, another homeless gentleman who actually stole a beer from me. I'm not condoning his actions. Problem is at a bus stop where he has had numerous homes stolen from him. I guess that day he had just had enough. And when we say it was a brief time, it was an extremely brief time to the point that we were deciding whether it was going to be self-defense or not. Having said that, Judge, you heard his mother talk about the drugs, but he's not your typical homeless person. I think this is a person that's needs some type of help to get his where he's going, what he's doing. He hasn't fallen off the grid of society. He's still trying to participate in society. And if you look at his criminal history, the type of thing, the state was going to get into that a little bit. Most of it is marijuana based. I think it's K2 and Kush and all that stuff. No hard drugs, but a lot of smoking and drink.
Defense swings with a recovery-focused strategy. Rehabilitation instead of pure punishment. The eternal courtroom question, can we fix what's broken, or must justice remain cold and sharp?
We're respectfully requesting for adjudication and with any kind of treatment. We are going to do inpatient treatment, should work build that ground, life skills to get it back to where it needs to be.
All right, so I have a couple of questions. Number one, and if your client wants to answer it, who is Angelica to him? Was that a friend?
No, I believe, is it the witnesses?
Yes.
I believe all the witnesses were just witnesses in the prosecution. I don't know.
Because, and let me just tell you my issue with granting your application. In the stipulations, it says, Angelica said, Avelino accused Tristan of stealing his beer, and they began to fight. Now, other witnesses are saying.
Full circle moment. The judge repeats her first warning like a haunting echo. This isn't just a sentence. It's a lifeline. Will Mr. Lopez grab it before the tide pulls him under?